Right. Okay. So today is 10th of February. Okay. So first topic that we are going to see here is your topic of malware. Okay. Malware is nothing but a combination of two words. Malicious software. तो इसमें if you combine this mal or where, you will get ये term मिल जाएगा. What do you mean by malicious?
Evil.
They harm they harm the
हाँ,
computer.
something which is not good, which causes harm, right?
Malevolent.
हाँ, तो this is malicious means not good, may cause harm. ठीक है. And what does software mean?
Intangible component of the
हाँ,
computer.
ठीक है. That is simply इसका spelling सही है. I think I forgot it. Okay, anyways, piece of code. वैसे how do you spell it? I think I've written wrong.
It's correct, sir.
It's correct. Oh, okay, ठीक है. Right. So it's a piece of code, which is a piece of code is also called program. Okay. So it's a piece of code or a software or a program which if gets inside your computer or digital device may cause harm to it. ठीक है. तो malware के बारे में इतना ही है. Now, malware can be of many types. अगर मैं इसे classify करता हूँ, if you classify it, you will find that it is of many types. Okay, we'll learn one by one. One, I think 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6 और भी हो सकते हैं पर let us see. One is your virus. Okay. Second, you have worms. ठीक है. Then you may have we can say Trojans. Okay. Then you have ransomware.
So Trojan is a type of virus, right?
We call it generally, but it is not exactly. ठीक है. देखते हैं. Okay. Then everything is देखो सब कुछ को हम लोग जनरली वायरस बोल देते हैं पर इट्स नॉट अ वायरस. इवन वॉर्म्स पीपल विल से इट इज अ वायरस. वो सब malware के अंदर आता है. Okay. And then you have spyware. spyware, adware. Okay. You may also include certain types like, I'm not sure whether you have heard of it or not. Not a good software. A very dangerous one. I have used it just for the fun sake, but I have used it. उतना अच्छा नहीं होता है ये. Okay. Just okay. Now, let me see if we have any other type. नहीं.
So
Book इतना ही
which
mention
one is
किया.
not very good, sir? Which software?
Any of these is bad, but this appears to be very friendly, but it is in fact a very, you can say, dangerous software. I will come to it how it is dangerous. Okay. A few others are there also, मतलब जो शायद तुम मैं discuss किया हूँ, but maybe it is not mentioned here. So we'll include that as well. Okay. That is your rootkit. Yes, you can use it, but should you use it? That is more important question. Okay. So we'll understand what is the difference between these types. You may be knowing quite a few, but still we'll see those. Okay, Ankit, देखो, it's about having weapons and using it. Okay, many nations have nuclear weapon, but should they use it? कुछ उस type का है. वो कुछ ज़्यादा serious हो गया, but I'm just trying to explain. Not a good thing to use, but yes, you should have the knowledge of it. Okay, so why do we study these things though they are not good? So that you can at least protect yourself. Okay, or if attacked, you can prevent yourself, defend yourself. Okay, so knowledge of these things are important, but don't go into using those things, these things. Okay, right. So yeah, different types. So we'll start our discussion with the very first one, that is the virus. Or let's say we'll start with malware itself. तो टॉपिक तो है ही उसका डेफिनेशन. डेफिनेशन क्या होगा malware का? So it is a short term used for malicious software. Short term used for malicious software. Malicious software. ठीक है? This is the first point and the most important point. Okay, it's any software developed with the intention to damage hardware devices, steal data, or cause any other trouble to the user. ठीक है? So इसका क्या क्या होता है? It's a software. It's a software. ठीक है? Developed with the intention. Developed with the intention intention क्या है? Intention or intention को let's say I'll underline and I'll write a few points.
Purpose.
हाँ नहीं उस पे of course it is purpose. What is the intention in the case of viruses? Sorry, malwares. What do you think? To
To
damage
harm
hardware
the
devices?
to harm the computer.
User.
Yeah, not only computer. When you are saying computer, you can say hardware devices or digital devices to cause or to damage hardware devices, hardware devices. Okay, steal data. किसी का माइक्रोफोन ऑन है, जरा उसको ये कर लो. हाँ, steal data. Then what other things can be there? कुछ भी. Steal data, corrupt data, spy on your you can say digital footprints, ki how you work, what is your working pattern. Okay, cause any harm, cause harm in any other way, harm in any other way. ठीक है. So this is a very generic term. ठीक है. So our mindset is such that ki we use viruses for everything. Okay, but a very you can say a person who has a good understanding of computer should not use the virus term for everything, should use the term malware. ठीक है, malware बोलना चाहिए तुम लोगों को कि but common language में this term has taken the place of this term. Okay, so in general, if anything does bad, any type of software does bad, you should say it is a malware. ठीक है, rather than calling it a virus. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, it's a malware. Okay. So see, these are why I'm telling you these small things. They may appear to be very insignificant, but let's say if you are there in an interview panel or फिर वहाँ पे they ask you something about cyber security, and you are using the term virus, and another candidate is there who is using the term malware in general for where the person is intending to uh, include all these types of software, then maybe the person using the malware will have an edge over other participants or candidates. ठीक है, तो इसीलिए थोड़ा सा terms को लेके be particular. Okay, right. So this is about your malware. Now let us come to its type. So how will you define it? Okay, और यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ plus mention various types of malware. ये जो ग्राफ में दिया हुआ है ना, mention its different types. ठीक है. Next page. Okay. Now we'll come to our second term. Virus. Full form क्या है? Yes, anyone? We have dealt with it.
Vital.
The vital information
under siege.
research under siege.
Vital information.
Resources under siege.
Under siege.
Vital information. Resources under siege. Resources. ठीक है. Under siege. That means when you lose control over your information here mostly refers to digital piece of information. Okay, so when you have lost control over or lost hold over your personal or digital information and your digital resources, okay, and under siege means what? It is under the control of someone else. Okay, so if your important digital information and your resources when I am saying I'm meaning digital devices, ठीक है, प्रिंटर्स, कंप्यूटर्स, हार्डवेयर, उसके साथ जो भी स्कैनर्स, प्लॉटर्स, ये सब के ऊपर अगर किसी का कंट्रोल हो गया है विदाउट योर विल, okay, whether you know are aware of it or not, you will see that your system, your digital information and your hardware, pieces of hardware and resources like printer, etc., is no more under your control and it has been compromised. Okay, so that is what we mean by this. Okay, vital information and resources under seas. Okay, so book में कुछ introduction दिया हुआ है. If you can open page 236, उसमें देखोगे. The term computer, not important, but you should know. Computer virus was coined by Fred Cohen in 1985. ठीक है. So that's not that कि viruses it has been for ages. ये hardly last 40, 45, 50 years का matter है. ठीक है. So rather कितना 35, 36 years में आया. Less than 40 years. The term computer virus was coined by Fred Cohen in 1985 and has been borrowed from biological science. जहां पे तुम जानते हो where viruses cause harm to biological beings or human beings या any other animal जो भी होता है. So biological beings पे जो viruses attack करता है उससे हम लोग ये term we have picked up. Okay. Right. The only difference is that the victim is a computer system and the virus is a malicious software. Okay, so in case of virus, you have victim. कौन है? Victim is computer system or digital devices. Okay, and what is it? It's a
Malware.
okay. So I'll say कि what is it? So इसका आंसर है it's a piece of software. Okay. So देखो ये मैं abbreviations में लिख देता हूँ. Avoid this. ये गलती से SW और HW ये सब मत लिख देना. Okay. So it's a piece of software which causes harm to your computer and in harm in what way वो हम लोग देखेंगे. इसका mechanism क्या है? How it works or how it spreads and how it harms your computer. The mechanism of harming. Mechanism of harming में क्या करता है? That means how it spreads and how it infects your computer. उसके बारे में हम लोग थोड़ा देखते हैं. Okay. So resources of the computer में like I have said कि resources include your CPU, your personal files, sensitive information, printers, scanners, whatever thing. Information and resources में everything will come. So how does it work? What is the mechanism? The mechanism is that it mimics the behavior of a biological virus. How does it mimic the behavior of a biological virus? It spreads. A biological virus कैसे spread करता है? How does it?
It reproduces inside a host, sir.
That is okay. I'm not talking about in terms of where it survives and what is the environment. How
So
it
it
spreads.
destroys the good virus. I mean the good
Virus छोड़ दो. I'm just talking about how it spreads.
Sorry, USBs, emails.
अरे why मैं computer virus के नहीं normal
Oh,
virus का.
biological virus.
Biological.
contact.
Agents, sir.
Contact.
Agents of spread. Like
Agents of spread are mostly when you come one person comes in contact of another person either directly or indirectly.
indirect.
Yeah, right. So that is how it spreads. So this also mimics the same behavior. Okay. So it spreads on contact with another system. So we can write in mimicking में कैसे करता है ये? Spreads on contact with another system. ठीक है? Right. Another system. It infects other systems by copying. Okay, how it spreads by this? So by copying or inserting, or inserting its code into computer programs, जो वायरस का कोड होता है ना उसको its code into computer programs, ठीक है, और सॉफ्टवेयर. These computer programs are software but nothing but executable files, .exe files जो देखते हो. We have seen that the final program, the final file which can be done directly by the computer, जो कि machine understandable form में होता है, that is the executable file. So वो भी एक executable file में it will attach itself, it will copy its code into that executable file. Okay, ठीक है. इसका थर्ड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या है? It remains dormant on a system. Generally remains dormant when it gets or copies itself into an executable file into the computer. So it will remain dormant. That means it will not cause any harm. It will not do anything. It will simply be sitting and waiting. So remains dormant. Okay. Remains dormant on a system. Okay. And is activated as soon as okay, the infected file is opened. The infected file is opened, executed by a user. Okay. Okay. And also, all viruses do not behave in a single manner. That means they behave differently once you have executed it. So virus, there is no common behavior, but they may behave differently. They behave differently depending upon reason or motivation behind their creation. Upon reason and motivation behind the creation. ठीक है, इतना याद रखना. Some of the most common intentions में क्या हो जाता है? Of these behaviors or intentions, so common intentions क्या होते हैं वायरस के? I'm not saying all will do, but
So
most.
to steal personal data.
हाँ, बुक में दिया हुआ है ये सब तुम्हारा. Common intentions में क्या हो जाएगा? Personal stealing passwords or data. Okay, stealing password data. ठीक है, personal informations or corrupting files. ठीक है, spamming, etc. ठीक है, ये बुक में देख लेना. So these things are there. So of course you should ये पूरा portion with examples of virus. इसमें बुक में कुछ examples दिए हुए हैं तुम्हारा CryptoLocker, I Love You, MyDoom, Sasser, NetSky, Slammer, Stuxnet, etc. बुक में दिया हुआ है. That's given on page number 236 of the PDF with examples. You should remember these things about viruses given on page 236. ठीक है, इसको पढ़ लेना. ठीक है, there is nothing like कि इसको याद रखना पड़ेगा. These are most of the things you know कि how it, इसको कहानी की तरह याद रखो कि how it spreads just like biological viruses by coming into contact with another system. How does it come into and how does it spread by coming into contact? It simply copies or inserts its own code, not independently. It does not exist independently, but it will insert its own code into another code. उसमें अपने आप को ऐड कर लेगा. ठीक है, it will add itself to an existing piece of software or an executable program, okay, and become one single program. तो तुम्हें पता नहीं चलेगा. You will come to, you will understand कि okay, let's say a song has been infected by virus. If you play the song, you will think that you are playing the song, but the song has been modified by the virus such that its own code is also, you can say, is piggybacking it. मतलब it has clinged on it. Okay, so along with the song being executed for the first time, that piece of code will also be executed, and then as per the intention of the or the behavior of the virus, which may be stealing password data, corrupting files, spamming, etc., that will cause harm to your computer. Okay, but all viruses do not behave in the same way. They may behave differently depending on their motivation and the reason behind their creation. ठीक है? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, next is we have studied what we have done right now. We have covered the first type of malware, that is virus. This is done. Okay. Now we'll come to worms. Okay. Worms के क्या क्या feature होते हैं? It is also a malware.
So they multiply themselves like the
Multiply
worms in
themselves.
the
ठीक है.
liver.
हाँ. So book में भी ऐसा ही तुम्हें दिया होगा. Is also a malware. It's a, जब भी इस तरह का definition देखो, start with it's a malware. Okay. Malware. It's a malware that incurs unexpected. That incurs unexpected or damaging behavior on an infected computer system. ठीक है? Why this damaging unexpected behavior will come? वो resource consume करते जाता है. So you cannot predict what will happen. There will be space for some piece of code program. There may not be space for some other rest of the program. So some partially program will get loaded into the main memory. Partial execution will happen. Then something unexpected will happen. उस तरह का code break करने लगता है. ठीक है? So computer system. ठीक है? The major difference between a worm and a virus is, so now the question is, virus भी तो यही काम करता है, unexpected behavior, damaging, etc. But now the question may arise, what is the difference between a virus and a worm? Can anybody recall the all the characteristics of a virus? Yes, anyone? How it spreads?
It spreads.
So it spreads only when the file is opened. Otherwise, it remains. It
Okay,
doesn't.
but before that,
It spreads from one system to the other. So
how?
From
If
network, sir.
person contact.
By?
they should be.
Networks.
Contact.
That is okay, but how? How it is able to spread?
By contact.
That is
Sir, by
contact.
copying it. Sir.
Yeah, by copying the piece of code to a already existing executable code, right? तभी ना वो उस पे आ जाता है. So can we say that कि virus softwares can alone enter your computer and do work on its own?
No,
No,
sir.
it has to first find a host. Just like a biological virus. See, viruses में क्या होता है? Outside the host, they will die. ठीक है? So viruses cannot exist outside a host. So it needs a host program. Okay, which will sort of give habitation, provide habitation to it, and will allow it to cause damage. So viruses never exist outside the human body. Okay, so first one is viruses need host and therefore, ठीक add itself or attach itself to a program already existing. That is an executable program already existing in the computer. However, worms are standalone software. मतलब उसको होस्ट का जरूरत नहीं है. Standalone software. Okay. So मतलब क्या बुक में भी दिया हुआ है. Worms are standalone programs that are capable of working on its own. Software or program capable of working on its own. ठीक है, वो खुद पे काम कर लेता है. Also a user और उसमें क्या है? Also a virus needs human triggering. ठीक है, जब तक तुम executable we have seen, देखो तुमने ध्यान दिया होगा तो we have written remains dormant. That means जब and is activated as soon as a infected file is opened by the user. That means in other words we can say it requires a trigger from outside or from the user. We can say it requires trigger from the user. It's just like a grenade. जब तक उसको उसका latch वो pull करके नहीं फेंकोगे, it won't explode. But once you do it, it will explode and will have devastating effect. Okay, so here we can say as a part of another difference that they need human triggering for replication. Need replication or spreading. Human triggering for replication or spreading. ठीक है, without human triggering, you can those viruses will remain dormant and won't cause harm. ठीक है. While a worm replicates on its own and can spread to the other computers through the network. Okay, while worms spread on its own and spreads on its own and can spread to other computers and can spread to other computers okay, so can spread to other computers through the network. मतलब इसको स्प्रेड करने के लिए किसी का हेल्प भी नहीं चाहिए. It is a standalone software. Okay, and it can also replicate on its own without any external human triggering. Now, अच्छा इसका फिर बुक में कुछ एग्जांपल्स दिया हुआ है. ओके, प्रोमिनेंट वॉर्म्स का स्टॉर्म वॉर्म, सॉबिग, एमएस ब्लास्ट, कोड रेड, निम्डा, मॉरिस वॉर्म. ठीक है, रिमेंबर एग्जांपल्स फ्रॉम बुक. ओके, रिमेंबर एग्जांपल्स from NCERT, and that's given on page 237 of your PDF. Is it clear? What now? Can you differentiate between a worm and a virus? So there is basically, इसका थोड़ा gist समझ लो, कभी पढ़ना नहीं पड़ेगा ये. You won't need to study it again. Gist is a virus is just like a biological virus, needs a host. Host होने के बाद भी it needs a trigger. ठीक है, पहले तो it needs a host. It cannot alone exist on its own. Standalone existence is not possible, so it will attach itself to an already existing executable and will spread and cause harm once it is triggered by the humans or the user. ठीक है, but whereas worms are also malicious software which will be causing unexpected and damaging behavior, will show your computer will show unexpected and damaging behavior on when infected. It replicates on its own or spreads on its own. ठीक है, and doesn't need a host. That means it is a standalone software. ठीक है, और रेप्लिकेट करके वो क्या करता है, बहुत फास्ट रेप्लिकेट करेगा, रिसोर्सेज को कंज्यूम कर लेगा. दैट इज व्हाई अनएक्सपेक्टेड बिहेवियर में कम. क्लियर है एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
ओके गर्ल्स, इज इट फाइन? दिस worms
Yes,
also we have covered. ठीक है, चलो. फॉर ट्रोजन, रैंसमवेयर, स्पाईवेयर, एडवेयर, कीलॉगर, रूटकिट विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. यहाँ पे ही आज रुक जाते हैं. And 4 of you जिनका नहीं हुआ है वाइवा, I'll keep this meeting open. I'll join in 5 minutes. You can have some water and come back. Maybe in next 10 minutes we'll finish off that as well. ठीक है, so we'll stop for this class here itself. Those for Viva may join back in the same meeting after 5 minutes. I'm stopping the recording.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.